Hi guys, this is your Tita Laika. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog ay pag-uusapan natin ang live task reward. So matagal ko nang gustong gawa ng tutorials to kasi may ginawa na akong tutorials before. Yun nga lang, parang marami pa rin medyo hindi na-gets yung live task reward. So etong video na to is pakinggan nyo maigi, panoorin, tignan dahil maintindihan nyo ang live task reward after watching this video. Pero bago ang lahat, don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search Tita Laika Vlog and my other social media accounts, Tita Laika. So, lagi din ako nagla-live sa Popo Live. My user ID is 79170. So, you can drop by every Tuesday hanggang Saturday. So, kung may mga questions din kayo about Popo Live na gusto nyo on the spot masagot, pwede din kayo mag-drop by doon. And of course, huwag kayo mahiya mag-send ng gift. So, let's start. So, ito yung isang bahagi na kung saan para maintindihan nyo kung ano yung live task reward. So, ang live task reward po natin is based on 7 recent days. Okay? 7 recent days, meaning po nun, everyday nag-a-adjust yung ating live task reward by 12 midnight. So, syempre, pagdating ng 12 midnight, iba na po yung bracket ng 7 recent days. So, ipapakita ko sa screen yung details ng ating 7 recent days. Okay? So, as you can see dyan, nakalagay po dyan na task reward is based on 7 recent days. So, meaning po nun, nag-a-adjust hindi siya nagbabawas. Yung iba kasi, yun yung terminology nila, which is mali. Nag-a-adjust. Pagdating ng 12 midnight, nag-a-adjust. Depende po ang ating live task reward sa gift na nakukuha po natin. Halimbawa, may nag-send sa inyo ng gift worth of 100 coins. Bigyan natin ng example na gift. Example is cake. Cake is worth 100 coins and ang whole share na makukuha po natin doon is 70,000 points. Yun yung whole share natin sa mga regular gifts. So yung whole share po na yun, na 70,000 points, yun po ang nakalagay sa ating live task reward target. So yun po yun. So halimbawang lucky gifts naman po, whole share naman po sa lucky gifts, 4% po ang nakukuha natin. For example, rose. Rose is worth 100 coins. 4% po nun is 4 points. So, yun po ang madadagdag sa ating live task reward. So, pakatandaan nyo po ha, ang mga whole share po natin. So, ilalagay ko naman po yan sa screen. So, nakalagay po dyan based on gift. So, halimbawa, meron tayong nakuhang live task reward, platform rewards, tips. Tanging sa gift lang po nakabase si live task reward po natin. So, ang Monday, live task reward po natin ay nakabase sa Tuesday last week up to Monday present. Ibig sabihin po nun, Tuesday na ng karaang linggo. Tuesday last week, Wednesday last week, Thursday last week, Friday last week, Saturday last week, Sunday last week, tapos Monday present, as in today. Yun po ang ating live task reward for Monday. 6 days previous, 1 day is present day. Okay? So, 6 days, past days ninyo, and 1 day is today. So, madali nyo naman makatandaan. So, for example natin, Monday. Monday task reward natin. Ano bang kasunod ng Monday? Tuesday. So, meaning nun, Tuesday kayo last week mag-uumpisa ng bilang for your live task reward hanggang sa ngayong araw. So, yun. So, medyo nagigets nyo ba? Ganun naman tayo din sa Tuesday. Ang kasunod ng Tuesday is Wednesday. Wednesday last week, Thursday last week, Friday last week, Saturday last week, Sunday last week, current Monday, current Tuesday. Tuesday, today, present. Next naman natin yung Wednesday. Kasunod ng Wednesday is Thursday. So, meaning mag-start tayo ng Thursday last week. Thursday last week, Friday last week, Saturday last week, Sunday last week, Monday current week, Tuesday current week, and Wednesday today. Gets nyo? So, sunod naman natin ang Thursday. Ang kasunod ng Thursday is Friday. So, Friday last week, Saturday last week, Sunday last week, Monday current week, Tuesday current week, Wednesday current week, and Thursday today. So, halimbawa, today is Friday. Ang kasunod ng Friday is Saturday. So, Saturday last week ang ating pagbabasihan. Saturday last week, Sunday last week, Monday current week, Tuesday current week, Wednesday current week, Thursday current week, and Friday today. Pag-usapan naman natin ng Saturday, which is ang kasunod ng Saturday is Sunday. So, Sunday tayo mag-i-start ng ating 7 recent days. Sunday last week, Monday current week, Tuesday current week, Wednesday current week, Thursday current week, Friday current week, and Saturday today. So, Sunday naman ay ang pinakamadali na. Tingin ko naman hindi kayo malilito dito. Dahil ang Sunday natin ay mag-i-start from the current week of Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, today. So, yan yung mga bagay na dapat nyo pakatandaan sa ating 7 recent days. So, madali lang naman siya maintindihan kung naiintindihan nyo tong meaning ng 7 recent days. Diyan kasi madalas nalilito yung iba. So, punta naman natin ang ibang explanation ko regarding sa live task reward. So, ngayon, ang palaisipan natin is kung paano natin kukwentahin isa-isa yung gift na nakukuha natin at kung saan nga ba natin pwedeng malaman to. Kung bakit nga ba ganito yung live task reward ko.